This is a documentary about the Kurt Grinder, known for grinding people if they don't listen to Kurt. If they mess with Kurt, they get the grinder. A serial killer known for terror. A serial killer known for ravaging villages. Let's play the clip.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, this is Kara with American Senior Citizens Care. How are you doing today?
Mess with Kurt and you get the grinder.
This call is about a new state-regulated final expense insurance plan which covers 100% of your burial, funeral, or cremation
I need your
expenses.
sauce ad.
It is specially designed for the people on fixed income or Social Security. Would you like to learn more about it?
Listen here. If you call me again.
To qualify you for the plan, are you between the age of 40 and 80?
Yes.
Great. Let me bring the state-licensed product specialist on the line to share information with you. Please hold.
Sounds good.
Thanks for holding on the line. This is John Harris. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Mess with Kurt and you get the grinder.
So what are you doing to do with the grinder? Are you going to cut your dick?
You see, my father told me.
That seemed to be last of the first clip. Here's another.
Hello?
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 Hi, this is Susan. I'm a Medicare healthcare advisor on a recorded line. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Well, I am with one of the providers for Medicare Health Center, and based on our records, I showed that you may qualify for information for ways to reduce or even eliminate the cost for healthcare expenses. Do you currently have Medicare Part A and Part B active right now?
Yeah. Or wait, no.
Wonderful. Okay, what I'm going to do now is bring one of our specialists on the line. You may hear some phone system prompts while I'm bringing them online, but just remain on the line, okay?
Uh-huh.
Hello, this is Ray Anderson with the Medicare Health Center. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. Well, let me tell you, sir, as you know, that this is an annual enrollment period for the 2023. My job is to make sure that you receive all these new or additional benefits on your Medicare policy at no cost to you, all right?
Let's see Paul Allen's card.
What is this?
Paul Allen.
What's Paul Allen?
You reek of shit. You know that?
Hi, this is Zach Wilson and I'm calling you from Senior Financial Solution. How are you doing today? Doing good?
I'm doing okay.
Well, the reason we are calling you today is in reference to your end-of-life financial planning, and we wanted to update you regarding a brand new state-regulated final expense of life insurance plan that have just been approved by the state. These life insurance plans are designed to cover 100% cost of burial, funeral, and cremation expenses. And these plans are designed for people on fixed income, social security, or disability income. So may I ask, how old are you?
I fucked your sister last night.
What you talking about?
I fucked your sister.
The serial killer rapist Kurt and his grinder. There's something wrong with him. He needs help. He needs serious help. He needs Ed's sauce. This woman fell victim to Kurt's grinder without Paul Allen's card. Her name is Susan. I'll let the clip explain itself. Luckily, Susan is one of the only victims to survive Kurt's grinder. live to tell the tale simply because she didn't have a Paul Allen card. Even after this monstrous Kurt decided to go on a rampage, calling these tech companies and these poor innocent tech companies, man. Anyways, there's a 21-minute montage of this clip. Check it out. But even before that, make sure to like, sub, comment, and check the Discord link down below. I'd like to meet you. Anyways, with the clip, let's head there.
Hello?
Hi, sir. How may I assist you today?
Is this Google Tech Support?
No, this is PayPal support team you're talking to, sir.
Oh, PayPal support. Oh, okay. All right. You reek of shit. You know that? But why don't you get a job? Let's see Paul Allen's card.
I'm sorry?
You reek of shit. Get a job. What's your name?
Sir, I cannot say anything at this point of time. Because you're totally rude and this kind of behavior is not accepted.
You reek of shit. Let's see Paul Allen's card. You're Paul Allen, aren't you?
So this is being totally rude from your end. I have to hang up the call. Thank you.
Ask me a question. Looks like we got one. Mess with Kurt and you get the grinder. Mess with Kurt and you get the grinder.
Well, this is Steve. How may I help you today?
Mess with Kurt and you get the grinder. You make sauce for
Sorry?
Kurt. You make sauce for Kurt?
No. No.
Mess with Kurt and you get the grinder, pal. Watch your butt.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. Please leave a message after the tone.
From now on, your life is Mondo Burger. You can forget about your friends, and you can forget about your family, because Kurt is now both your mother and your father. You make your sauce for Kurt.
Thank you for connecting with Gig Squad. How may I help you today?
Hi, I was calling about my Geek Squad email that I received from you. Hello?
Okay.
I got an email. And it said to
So
call
did
this
you
number?
receive an invoice number on this email?
Sorry, say that again?
Thank you for calling customer support. This is Abel. How can I help you today?
Hey. Hello?
Yes, sir. This is Abel from
This is Abel from Geek Squad. How can I help you today?
Nice to meet you. My name is Kurt Boswell. I got an email from you guys saying that I got charged $417.
All right. Can you help me with the order number so I can check?
The order number? It's really long. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's KCUED6574839NHYF. Do you need anything else?
All right. Can you please tell me the last 4 digits?
The last 4 digits. It's NHYF.
Yes, sir.
Unless you mean the customer ID.
No, you have to confirm me the order numbers.
Yeah, the order number. It's the last 4 is NHYF. F like fuck. Fuck.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. Please leave a message after the tone.
From now on, your life is Mondo Burger. You can forget about your friends, and you can forget about your family, because Kurt is now both your mother and your father. You make your sauce for Kurt.
Thank you for Geek Squad. How can I help you?
Hey, I got charged $417 from you guys.
Okay, can you please help me out the invoice number, sir, so I can go ahead and check in my system and I let you know what kind of email you received?
Okay, do you need the invoice number or the order number?
The order number.
Okay, the order number is KCUED6574839NHYF.
Okay, so sir, right now I just checked that in my system today your subscription from Geek Squad was gonna expire, okay? And today is our auto renewal day and your plan has been automatically renewed. So what do you want? You want to cancel or you want to continue with that service?
I think I want to cancel my Geek Squad subscription. Can I get the refund for $417?
Yes, sir. You have to get to...
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. This is Johnny speaking from the Geek Squad. How can I help you?
I fucked your mother really good last night.
Correct.
Thank you for connecting with the support. This is Alex Smith. How may I help you?
Oh, no, not much. I was just calling you. Your mom told me to call you and let her know that I fucked.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir. This is Johnny speaking from the Geek Squad. How can I help you?
I got charged $417 from Geek Squad.
Yes.
Can you help me?
Yes. Could you please help me with your order number or invoice number?
Sure.
Check.
The invoice number is GEEK 76658 squad. And the order number is KQUED 6574-839-NYNHYF. Can you help me out?
Okay, so what you need to do? You need to cancel this one or renew this one? What you need to do?
What do you think I should do?
So you need to cancel this one or renew this one? What you need to do?
Yeah. But what do you think I should do? It says that I own 4 users for Windows.
Okay, so the one thing you have to sit in front of a computer or a laptop, okay? Because we will generate the cancellation form into your computer screen. So you have to fill that cancellation form from your side.
That's racist. You need to calm down, bro.
Yes?
I'm just talking to you. Relax.
Yes? Yes?
Yes. I'm just talking.
What happened?
I don't know. My fucking son tried to eat my phone. Who is this?
Okay. Do one thing. Fuck yourself.
I fucked your mother real good last night. Her pussy was wet and juicy. Mm. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, hello? Hello?
Thank you for connecting with the support. This is Alexis Smith. How may I help you?
Yeah, I got charged $714 from Geek Squad, I guess, on October 17th. What's all that about?
Sir, your Geek Squad subscription was expired and it will be removed. It will be auto-renewed on your computer. That's the reason it was charged you for the subscription of the computer.
Oh, okay. So, do I need to pay you guys then?
The money has already been charged.
Oh, on what card?
From
On my Visa?
From the bank account, from the checking account.
Oh, okay. All right, that's cool. So wait, what do I have to call you guys for? It said I needed to call you. You there, buddy? Hello?
Thank you for calling cancellation department. How can I help you?
You know, I fucked your sister really good last night. What do you have to say about that?
Thank you for connecting with Geek Squad. How may I help you today?
No, yeah. I just wanted to tell you that your sister's pussy felt real good last night. I fucked her with her mom, too. I learned a lot about you greasy Indian fucks when I watched Slumdog Millionaire last year. Hey, is this the gay support hotline? Hello?
Thank you for connecting Geek Squad. This is Mark. How can I help you?
Is this the gay support line?
Yes, madam. This is Geek Squad, Best Buy Geek Squad. How can I help you?
Okay, cool. I got billed like $417. I don't know what the hell's up with that. I thought I canceled my subscription.
Okay. Can you please do let me know the invoice number, madam, so I can go ahead and check in my system and I let you know what kind of email you received?
Oh, no problem. This is helpful. Sure. KCUED 6574839 NHYF.
Now listen here, you nasty
and
fuck.
madam,
I know exactly what you're doing.
Your call is very important.
Hello?
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
God damn it.
To this day, Kurt has not been found. So, if you're a tech scammer or a tech support guy, an innocent tech support guy, watch out for Kurt the Grinder, because he will put you in the grinder. Kurt is your mommy and your daddy at Mondo Burger. And yeah, that's it. Like, sub, comment. Make sure to join our Discord server. We would appreciate that. Thank you.